Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. I am Krissy and I am standing in back of all of these sweet treats. We are making a sweet treat Halloween charcuterie board and we will be using some of these things, maybe all of these things. We're not sure really what's going to fit on my board yet, but we just got some Halloween candy. Then you can add in like eyeballs and teeth and make a few things, like we're going to be making spider Oreos and some witches hats and some really yummy things. So stay tuned and we're going to get going on this. For the first treat that we're going to make, we are going to make these Oreo spiders, obviously using Oreos, and I have some double stuffed here. That way there's room for the pretzel rods to stick in between the cookies. And I also have some eyeballs, and I'm going to attach the eyeballs with some cream cheese frosting and a toothpick. Next, we are going to do the same eyeball technique with these yogurt covered pretzels, and we're going to make them like ghosts. The next one that we're going to do, I call these witch hats. Aren't they super cute? We are just taking our Oreos again, and then I'm using some of the salted caramel frosting because I like that color and taste, and also some Hershey Kisses. I've already unwrapped my Hershey Kisses. I'm just grabbing an Oreo, putting a dollop of frosting right in the center, like that, and then mashing down my Hershey Kiss. Just kind of spreading out that frosting. Like that. Super cute, super yummy. So I'm gonna continue on and make the rest. Okay, the next one, we are making witch's brooms, and I am just taking a mini Reese's peanut butter cup, flipping it upside down and adding a pretzel rod, or stick, I guess, not a rod. So they're so easy. Flip it upside down and then just push that through the center. You want to be a little gentle, and then you'll feel the stick like toward the end, toward the bottom of it, and then you're good. Just like that. So we're going to finish the rest of these. Okay, now that all the treats are done, I'm going to arrange them on my charcuterie board around my DIY candy dish. Now, if you want to see how I made this, be sure to follow us on Instagram because that's where this is going to be posted. But yeah, let's get to placing all these goodies. Okay, so I have my candy dish in the center, and that's what I want to be my focal point. But I also do have this cute little kettle thing, the cauldron that I found at Michael's. So I'm going to add it maybe on this side, and then I also have one of these Dollar Tree glasses that I'm going to add to the other. And I know that they are not the same weights, but they are going to bring out some of the color, and I could add some of these other things to balance it out. So now the hard part, figuring out where I want everything. This will probably be moved 10 times before I decide on how I like it. But I'm going to add in some cheese balls into this cauldron. So I do kind of have like a rhyme or reason as to what foods I picked. Obviously, these are orange, which makes a really pretty Halloween color. And I think in this black cauldron, they are going to look so cool. I added this martini glass because I have some gummy worms and I think they would be super cool like coming out of the martini glass, and I feel like that adds a little more weight to this side too. Some Crunch and Munch, I think I'm going to add into this glass here. All right, we're going to add in some of our witches' hats, just kind of randomly placed around. Maybe even some on this side. And then some of our brooms. Do need to add my spiders though. Those are big. Maybe I should, let's do that next because they are really large. There is no rhyme or reason to how you want it displayed. Just whatever your eye likes or whatever you think is cute or spooky, doesn't matter. We'll make a little pile of these. And maybe some on this back side. So obviously if this is against a wall, you can make everything forward, but if you're going to be able to walk around it, you definitely want all sides the same. We have a couple more things. If you guys have never had these Hershey's Cookies and Cream Cookie Bites, you are missing out. This was the first package that I have purchased and they are so good. They are just little white balls, essentially, like cookie balls. And I'm just going to spread them around in some of the open areas. And of course, you have to have candy corn, and there are all sorts of varieties of candy corn out. I love just the traditional candy corn, so that is what we're going to use. And again, we're just going to be placing this all around on the board. And if you wanted to be really healthy, you could add carrots, oranges, you know, think of all the orange foods, or black, like the dark grapes, things like that. You could add, that also could be, instead of sweets, you could do a savory with cheeses and things like that to go with this. But this is what we are doing today. And I'm gonna call that good. I think this is pretty festive and fun and super yummy. cool and festive. I cannot wait to dig in. I have some family coming to help me, so I do not have to eat this all by myself. But as you can see, it makes for a very festive table. So if you are doing a Halloween party, even if it's for a couple people, this will be a hit. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy Halloween goodies. And also hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you be part of our Windswept Cowboy family. You guys go and have a great day. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!